Hi there, it's Kelly Schaffner, and I am so glad that you have joined me. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and joining me for another unboxing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn the red subscribe into black subscribe, and you will never miss another unboxing. I unbox clothing boxes and subscription boxes with apparel, accessories, shoes, stuff like that. Tonight I am doing Lyon and Post. And Lyon and Post is not a subscription service. It is actually a try before you buy service. So it's an online store. You go to their website and you just put items in the cart. These are all of the things that I would like to try on. And they call it a queue. And they send you the top 4 items in your queue. You try them. You have 7 days to decide whether or not you want to keep them or not. And then you send back what you don't want. So once they get your returns, they will send you 4 more items. So I have a constant stream of Lyon and Post coming to my house, and I love it. Well, I broke into the box I wanted to show you, but I didn't have my camera. Now let me show you. The presentation is beautiful, and please refer back to my Lyon and Post videos so you can see how beautiful it is. But all of the jewelry items come in these beautiful boxes, and I always want to look at a jewelry piece. The last earrings that I got in my last Lyon and Post, I'm going to tell you the truth, I probably wore them 5 days out of the last week. I just love them. So these are by House of Harlow, and they always come in these beautiful little bags, the little velveteen bags, and we have these are a little silver stud earring. They look like they have some crystals in them. Let me show you those. Aren't they pretty? I have a lot of jewelry in my queue, so I don't even remember what these cost, but I've really been enjoying House of Harlow. Their stuff is just a little bit different than anything I can find in the stores, so I'm excited about trying those on. And the first thing we have the color, and this is kind of a teal blue. It looks like it's an off-the-shoulder blouse. This is by 382. And it looks like an off-the-shoulder blouse, and it's got sleeve detail. I love sleeve detail. These will be tied for the try-on. And the only thing that has me concerned is this looks a little bit short. Now, if I wear it off the shoulder, it probably won't be, but not real comfortable. Well, honestly, I just have never worn one, so let's see if I can wear this. But I sure like the color. It's a knit fabric. So, ooh, oh my gosh, what is this? This is by Velvet, and look at how adorable this is. Okay. So it's black, it's gray, it's got a thin white stripe in it, but look at that detail on the neckline. The red stitching, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up, maybe it shows better. The red stitching that is intentionally showing the sleeves, and all of it has got the red stitching, and I love this. I just think this is a really unique piece like nothing else that I have. The fabric is pretty thin, so it might require a cami. It's got some elastic about 3/4 of the way down, and the sleeve detail, and it's probably hand wash only, and I'm in love with it. And the final thing we have, we have some black denims here. These are by 3x1 NYC. Some simple black denim. They look plenty long. There's some stretch in them, so that's interesting. Ooh, look at this. We have a big slit on the side. Can you see that? So, these look like fun. Okay, let's try it all on. Okay, this is the velvet blouse. I did look, and it is machine wash, and it's 100% cotton. So that's kind of a good thing, because I do think it's a little blousy, so it wouldn't hurt. Wash wouldn't hurt. It's pretty lightweight. I did not put a camisole on, and I'm looking at it, and it's a little bit thin, but I love it. Can you see that detail, that red threads that I really like that. It's a little bit wrinkly, but a good steam would fix this. And so these jeans, the jeans feel great. They feel really good, and I'm liking the look. I'm going to stand back so you can see the look of this cuff on the side. Can you see that? Isn't that cute? Now, you can see the back of them. They look like a pretty simple jean, but I like that detail on the bottom. It just makes them a little special. My problem with them is they are so long. And I normally have a difficult time finding jeans that are long enough for me, but I'm wearing 5-inch heels, and that's not real practical. I don't want a pair of pants that I can only wear with super high heels. I want something a little bit more versatile. So depending on the price, these might be something that I can just take and have altered because I am digging them. I think this was called the 382. I'm not sure, but I really like this. I love the color. I don't know if the color's showing true on the camera, but I like this. And that's about as low on the shoulder as I can go, and it's not moving when I move my arms. And what do you think about these sleeves? Isn't that nice? I am loving this, and I don't think it's too short. That's what I was worried about when I looked at it, and so we could do a little front tuck. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe the last one I should have done the front tuck with, but I am really enjoying this blouse a whole lot. I think I could use this, and it's such a nice transitional piece to take me into the spring, and it could be worn summertime as well with something other than those white denims that will eventually come my way. So I'm going to show you the earrings. Let me get up close so you can see them on my ears. And what do you think? I think that I'm going to have to watch this video and see what I think about these earrings, but I like them. They're a little bit small but they might work. They're just a pretty simple piece. All of it is just so simple and so beautiful, and I'm loving this box. Now let me look at those prices. One of the things also that's really cool about Lyon and Post, they always send a handwritten note. So this note says, "Hi Kelly, you have such great style." They're buttering me up. This is probably an expensive box. It says, "I am loving the Chan blouse." Chan blouse. I love both the blouses. I'm not sure which one is the Chan blouse. "I hope you love it as much as I do. From your friends at Lyon and Post." And then there's hashtag farewell fitting rooms. I like that personal touch. I think it's kind of cool. So now the prices. Velvet by Graham & Spencer. That's the Chan blouse. Okay, that's the one that I really like. That is $58.80. So I think that's a fair price. The 3x1 split seam bell, the jeans that I'm wearing, the black jeans, are $102. So I love the jeans. They're fun. They feel good. I think that they would be a lot of fun to wear. My only concern is the length on them, because I will not be wearing them with 5-inch heels every time I wear them. So I have to consider the expense of having them altered, and if I want to do that. So the good thing is I have about 4 more days to decide. So I have to think about that, because with the alterations, they'll be pretty pricey. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. Oh, and then the House of Harlow Avium studs in silver are $17.50. So that makes me happy. I'll probably be wearing these for the next 5 days. And the 382 Skylar tie sleeve ties. This top is $42.40. I am so pleased with this box. I like the prices. I think they're fair. The quality of the products I get from Lyon and Post is bar none. They have some great stuff. So if you want to try Lyon and Post for yourself, I'm leaving my referral link in the comments below. If you use my referral link, you will get $30 credit off your first box So you could get these earrings for free if you want to try it. And in return, they give me $30 worth of credit as well. So it's just a win-win situation if you want to try it. Please be my guest, and I think you'll enjoy it. I know I've enjoyed it, and I've really enjoyed sharing this box with you tonight. It's a great box, and so that makes for a good day. Again, thank you for all your love, your support, for watching these videos, and for all your feedback. I sure do enjoy sharing these boxes with you. So another one's coming up in a couple days, so look for it. Thank you so much. God bless you all.